Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you about Instagram Blend. Share a personalized reel feed with friends. Your Instagram DMs are probably filled with more random reels than actual conversations. It's like your chat window has turned into a chaotic window archive, where Instagram new Blend feature steps in to make things fun again. Instagram creates a reel feed tailored to everyone's preference in the chat. It's important to note that Blend requires mutual participation. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you do this. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, to use the Instagram Blend on your iPhone or Android, you must first send invites to accept them when the other person in the chat sends one. Open the Instagram app and head to the DM section. Here, open either of the one-on-one or group chat you want to start the Instagram Blend in. Tap the blend icon next to the call and video call icons at the top menu bar. Then tap the invite button that appears on the introductory screen. Now that you have sent the invite, the person in the one-on-one chat, at least or more people in the group chat must accept it. Once they do, Instagram will create the blend for you. Once the blend is active, simply head to the Instagram DM conversation you previously sent the invite in and tap the blend icon at the top. You will see a dedicated Reels feed. You rate it based on your shared interests. Swipe through the Reels like normal. Tap to like, share, save or chat about a Reel with the group and you are done. Next, I am going to tell you how to leave an Instagram blend. Not vibing with your blend anymore, want to keep your reel taste private? For this, head to the Instagram blend you want to leave, tap the settings icon at the top right corner and then choose leave this blend and then tap on leave again on the pop-up and you are done. I hope this video will help you to see how Instagram blend works, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.